In this video I'm going to go over how to handle if you have a bad smell coming from your bathroom. This is a call I get a lot, and a lot of the time what it is, it's the bathroom vanity sink drain. These things get gummed up and they get a bacteria smell to them. So here I'm going to show you how to clean it. Anyone can do it.
Tell me more.
Now what I like to use is just toilet bowl cleaner, and the main reason is because it was nearby when I was making this video. Now you can use something like vinegar, that might be a little better, but toilet bowl cleaner, I don't see that hurting anything. It's just Lysol in liquid form, in my opinion. I could be wrong, but
could be wrong.
So I'll add a little bit here, a little gracious amount anyways. And then all I like to do is just get an old toothbrush or a new toothbrush. Always hang on to your old toothbrushes, you never know when they'll come in handy. And obviously I sped up the video here because it's not really that nice to watch. But just scrub the drain. That's all we're really doing here. It might back up the drain slightly because you are putting all that debris in the trap. If that happens, just fill the sink up and let it drain. You may have to clean the P-trap out, but usually you don't. Now this may not be where your smell is coming from. However, it's free to do and any homeowner can do it, so why not give it a shot? You can see this drain's a clicker style, so it came out a little easier than the older style. If you want to learn how to get the older style drain out, I can make a video on that shortly. Let me know in the comments if you need to know something like that. They are pretty simple and I can show you really quickly. So now we'll take a shot of the clean drain, and it's 1,000 times better. You can see there's no bacteria in there. So thanks for watching.